some slime bath bombs. They're bath bombs and they turn into slime. So guys, they kind of look like soap, like ball soaps. They kind of look like this one doesn't, but this one does since it's like shiny from the inside. It's from the wrapping from the inside. There's wrapping on it too. It's not just the bag, there's wrapping on it too. Guys, see those like wrinkles? That's the wrapping, whatever we call it. I got these from Five and Below. When I found these, that reminded me of Guava Juice. He loves bath bombs. He loves slime. He's so messy with slime. The craziest video about the bath bombs was like when he put like 3,000 bath bombs in his bathtub. The floor was flooded.
Alright, it's flooding the whole bathtub now.
So this is dedicated for you, Guava Juice. And if you're new to my channel, my name is This Little Critic. I make videos twice a week. We do lots of shout-outs. And we have a huge giveaway when I hit 10,000 subs. So stay tuned for that. Let's get back to the video. So let's fill this up with water. Very hot. Very hot, very hot. I filled it up halfway, not halfway. It's really close to halfway. It looks like it's not close to half. It looks like it's a tiny bit close to halfway to be halfway. Or it looks like it's halfway. I don't know. So we have 2 bath bombs, so I think that should be a good reaction. Gotta dry my hands so they don't start the bubbling in my hands. Oh, let's hit it. Let's hit the craziness. Both of them are wrapped. So yeah. But how come? I thought this one was inside was not silver. But I thought this one inside this one was silver. But inside this one it wasn't. But both of them inside it was silver. Now the ball's open. Okay guys, now I'm opening this one. They smell like very, very weird, like not a good smell of like soap. What? Now let's have some fun. Gotta do the way up. Whoa guys, look at it. Okay guys, now I'm done. Put them in. And 3, 2, 1. Let's have some fun. Whoa. Nothing's there. Whoa. Nothing's there. There's 3 in there. There's 3 in there. There's 3 in there. Oh. Okay guys, now that I pick it up. It's like fuzzing in my hand. The noise is so savage. It smells like lemonade. Okay, but still not slime. Not like slime. It's just a cool color. Guys, but it makes my like hand feel like smooth and like harder, like it makes my hand feel like when I put my hand in it, it makes my hand like feel like way smoother. Look at it. Guys, it's not slime. Oh, it's kind of like slime. Now it breaks into parts easily. Gotta wash my hands in here. Okay, guys, it didn't really turn into slime, but it made our hands like feel like smoother and like slipperier, and it smelled great. Yo, this should be one for a whole bathtub. We used 2 in a small bucket. It was a fail. I think it was a fail because maybe I saw like some YouTubers use 1 for one whole bathtub, and and for the slime, and it works. So maybe we have to use like 1 for this one, and it was smaller than a bathtub. So maybe it needed 1. So maybe that's why it didn't work, because and there we put it 2. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Make sure to leave a comment, subscribe, like. Hope you guys like this video. And don't forget to stay a little critic. See you later, alligators and crocodiles.
2,000 years later.
So guys, the water turned into slime. Come look. I think it just needed some time. Guys, look, you see? It turned into slime. I thought just because we put it a lot. I guess it just needed some time. It's not too slimy, but it's better than before. Our hands kind of feel weird. It feels like there's slime on them, but we can't see it. Or there is slime on it. Hey guys, welcome to this is slime. Okay.